Hello guys, today I discuss about an Excel important function whose name is chart and graph. Okay, this is very important for Excel user to show and present the value of any performance. Okay, the chart are used to display the series of numeric data in graphical format to make it easier to understand large quantities of data and the relationship between different series of data. Okay, here you see the year and the performance. Okay, and this is percentage. Now we try to show various types of graph are available here. Here you see that this is column and this is line and this is pie chart. Okay, and here you see that tree map and histogram and sketcher. Various types of graph are available here. Today only I discuss about the column and the pie chart. Okay, now we start from by selecting this year and the performance. Okay, and select this two item and we go to column. Okay, here you see that we go to column as our preference and choiceable design. Here is you see that 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar and 3D bar. Okay, now first of all we try to customize this 2D types column. Okay, click here. Here you see that the diagram are prepared. Okay, one thing you just notice that here is chart title name. We try to name as our customized name. This name are bank performance. Okay, and here you see that the performance range and this is bar, and this is year. Okay, now we try to add the data label. First of all we keep cursor in here and right mouse and go to data label. You see this data are included here. Okay, and here is two series. Series 1 means year, series 2 means performance. Okay, and if we change or we edit this chart, first of all we have to select this and right mouse and we go to format data label. Okay, format data label. Here you see that format data label are come here and we can design this chart through here, and here you see that chart elements means the elements are available in this chart. Okay, now first of all this is axis title. Okay, if you want to add any title in this chart and you can click here. Here you see that you can add any title. Okay, as your customized name such as bank performance. Okay, you can add here, and here you also see that the primary horizontal. Okay, this is primary horizontal, this is secondary horizontal. Okay, and this is chart title. Okay, chart title, and you can remove above chart title or not. Okay, and this is data label. Okay, if you can add inside or outside or center anywhere as you customize. Okay, now we try to keep it outside, and this is data table. Okay, if you want to add any table in this data and you can add table. Okay, here you see that table. Okay, and we can find out error bar. What is error? Okay, how can we find any error data by this error bar? Okay, if you want to add grid line you can do it, otherwise you can remove it by this grid line. This is grid line. Here you see that this is grid line. Okay, this is grid line and you can remove it, and if you want to remove the legend, okay, remove the legend, and you can remove, and we should remove this legend, okay. And if you want to trend line, okay, this is trend line series 1 and series 2, okay, trend line you can add here, okay, and you can add here various types of trend line. Now if we want to change this color of this chart diagram, we can choose here first of all chart design, and we can go here. You see that this data or this table are completely changed, and if we want to change this color, and we can click here. Here you see that various types of color are available, okay. This is chart, this chart are complete, okay, and the chart name is column diagram. Now we try to prepare another pie chart, okay. This is pie chart. Here you see that pie chart are available, okay. First of all we should select data. This is data, and to go to pie chart. Here you see that 2D pie chart, okay, and you get various types of pie chart, 2D, 3D, and donut chart. Now present time donut chart are very available, so we try to go in donut chart. Here you see that the element of this chart, okay, and you can add the element of this chart and data level. Here you see that data level, okay, this is data level. You see that various percentage are shown in this level, and here you see that top, bottom, and more option, okay. And you can add bank performance, okay, bank performance. You can do it and remove this, and you can choose any color. Here you see that various types of very glamorous color are available, and you can choose as your preference in this donut chart, okay. And now we add data level, okay. Here you see that fill means the color, okay, and border means the border are available here. You can change from here, and this is shadow design of the chart, and this is size, okay, and this is text format. And here you see that you can choose any color, okay. This is background color, actually this is background color, and this is border color, okay. And you also do more anything for prepare this chart. Here you see that you can design this shadow, and you can also higher, lower, and you can also blur, and you can also angle, okay. Everything as your preference you can do from here, okay. Here you see that the soft edge means the completely background are removed, okay. So you can present your data with very fluently by these two types of table. One is pie chart, and another one is column chart, okay. And you can make it. Thank you everyone, hope that you understand very well this chart item, okay. Thank you.